welcome to CJStudio. It is the weekend, let's relax and have some fun with Flappy Butterfly. Today I've played around with the settings and this video will show you the difference. I hope you enjoy it. Please leave your comments below and I appreciate your feedback. This is the setting I have after I played around with it. Now let's test it out. I've updated the scratch file in Google Drive. All the settings are there and feel free to download and use it. As you can see, the pipes are appearing faster. I'm going to change the seconds to 1. Now let's see the difference. So now the pipes are appearing faster than before. Before it was 1.1. And the score is 16, 17, 18. Is kind of pretty hard. It's going up, down, up, down. Now let's make it a little more challenging. So now we're going to set it to 0.9. Now let's test it out. Now the pipes are coming out very fast. As you can see, it's going really fast. And some are the same size, which makes it a bit easy, but sometimes it's just hard. Now let's change it to 0.8 seconds and now we'll try to see what difference it makes. Now it goes a bit more faster than 0.9 and there's so many pipes. It may look easy but it's actually really hard. Now let's change the range to 80. The bigger the range, the harder it is because there's more chance of it going much more higher than the smaller ranges. Now you can see it goes a bit more higher than before. It gets a bigger space to go up and down. Now we're going to narrow down the range and we're also going to put the seconds to 0.7 seconds so that it gets less space to go up and down but it appears faster. Now you can see it appears really fast but it doesn't go so high or it doesn't go so low. Now we're going to go into costumes and so what we're going to do first is we're going to ungroup it so that you'll be able to get the little rectangle like that. And we are actually going to make it a bit smaller so that there's less chance for the butterfly to touch the pipe head. But first we need to ungroup it so you'll be able to size it down smaller. And we're going to do it for 2 of the costumes, because the third costume has a very wide hole, so it'll make it too easy if we size it down. And don't forget to ungroup. And after we do that, we can then, what we're going to do is we're going to test it out. You can see that the pole's head is a bit smaller. So that the butterfly can go through easier. That's all I changed for today. So now you can go and play with your setting until it suits you, and feel free to put it in the comments so that other people can also try yours. Thank you very much for your watching, and I hope you enjoy it. If it helps, please subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any episodes. And also you can share with others. See you next time.